Yo ho! Welcome back to Learning Kotlin live, and this is the episode 63. And this is probably very likely to be the last or the very few last episodes of writing Kotlin code. So you are taking part in an escape room challenge designed specifically for programmers, and your efforts to find a clue. You found a binary code written on the wall behind a vase and realize that must be an encrypted message. After some thought, your first guess is that each consecutive 8 bits of the code stand for the character with the corresponding extended ASCII code. Assuming that your hunch is correct, decode the message. So this is hello. So it's actually um, hmm. So first of all, we need to split it into. Actually, let's decode it in. So while, and let's have a var code clone equals to code, while code clone dot length is larger than 0, val this character equals to string builder sb equals to as code dot substring 0 through 8, and code clone equals to code dot substring 8. What else? sb dot append plus int dot parse Kotlin parse int to int radix. This char dot to integer, and the radix is 2, and return sv dot to string, and that's it. What? Compilation error somewhere? Oh, I'm super sleepy now. Oh, I always misspell substring. Substring itself is a word. Oh, wait. It's not an integer actually. We need to convert it into char. Like this. As char maybe. And let's first see what I'm doing. Empty. Exceed the execution time limit. So we failed to wow, this is not getting smaller, which I I believe, oh, it's code clone. Oh, is it capital char? I think it should be capital char. Integer cannot be cast to. How about that? To character. Is there Kotlin into char? To char. Yep. And we have pass. Lovely. So it's pretty likely that I can finish out these 3 last problems today. Maybe even finish them early today. So spiral numbers construct a square matrix with a size n times n containing integers from 1 to n times n and a spiral order. Oh. Okay, this is a little bit. So let's see. Val ends equals to multiple list of integer. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Goes to array list. What else? I n 0 until n ns array list. Returning ns. I hope this is initializing it correctly. Is, I believe. Yes, it is. And so now we need to fill in for this is what I'm going to do. 2 steps, 2 steps, 2 steps, and 2 steps. So it start with for I n n minus 1 down to it's actually down to 0, right? And step 2. This is the first time I'm using step. I hope I'm doing it correctly. Step 2. So let's print it out to make sure that I am doing it correctly. So what I want to do is to walk 2, 2, 2, and 2, and then 1, 1, 1, 1. It's actually 0, 0, 0, 0, right? 2, 0, 4, 2, 0, 5, 3, 1, 5, and we get here and one step further, and 3, it's actually 4, right? Oh no, it's actually one step further, and then 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Wait. Oh, so actually no, that I don't need that one step further. 4 step. No, it's actually 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, and come back. Oh, it should actually start with 5, I would say. Oh yeah, it is starting at 5. So wait. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, and it should actually start from -1 if I want to do it this way. 1 2 3 4 5 6. No. 5. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and here and here, and oh, it's actually move. So I need to skip the last step. Actually, I don't need to write those 4 in the same loop. I can just do for j and 0 until where? Until I, and this is go right, and this I -1, var 0, var x equals to 0, var y equals to 0 as well, and this would be x, y, x, y, and wait. Should this I think this is working. Oh wait. 1 2. What? 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 Oh. I actually need a lot of things. I actually don't need this one. 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2, and 2 1 0, and Oh, because I skipped it. So 1, 2, and it should be 1, 1. 1, 2. Wait. 2, 2, 2. Oh, wait. We need it here. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And that would be 1, 2, right? It actually should be 1, 0. Shouldn't it be 1, 0? X plus, Y plus, X minus, Y minus. Why is this? Oh, that's the end game, I would say. So no more Y and the last one. I don't know. We don't always need the last one. Oh. If I mod 2 equals to 1, it should be 1, 1. What? And oh, I'm sleepy already. I think I'm going to finish these these problems if I want to. Zero, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. It should be x plus 1, but wait a minute. Should be 1, 1, but it's 2, 1. And is from 2, and step is 2, so 0. So down to, oh, is 0 included? I think 0 is included. Down to, so because 0 shouldn't be included, so maybe 1. Yeah. And for this one, oh, I need an even one. Start at 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, that's the center. And so for this one, let's stop at 2.3, but 2.3 is not going to be used. Maybe it's doing. What else should I do? X plus 1. Fong. I need a function to do the dirty work. Function. Mutable list of mutable list. Give me the name. Put. The matrix. And what else? X of type int, y of type int. Before num, which return an int, return num plus 1, and matrix yx, because we first include so yx equals to num. Bar sum 1. Put answer x, y, and what else? It will actually be a lot easier if I can declare a member variable. I don't know if that's possible in code signal. Index out of bound, length 0. If n equals 0. Oh, this is the boundary. I should have done this. I should have expected this. I always forget to check the boundary recently. Huh. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's too empty. think there's a init in Kotlin, right? But maybe it's not available in 1.0. Wow, this is stupid. So I need to check if there's a way to init list mutable list Kotlin. What? What's the problem? Wait, there is one. Why is there a 0? Oh, it shouldn't be here, right? Oh, it should be here. Yeah, why is there a 0? Oh, it's skipping a certain place. It's skipping a certain position. It's supposed to start from here, but start from here. You do. It's 5, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And there's a shift here. And so it's supposed to be here. Four, 5, 1, 2. Wait. Huh? Wait. 1, then 2. Index is 1. Oh. Huh. And that's everything, but I need to check the initialization. Kotlin field list. There is no mutable list of there is no easy way to do so. Oh, there it is. So yeah, it takes a lambda, so it's in the constructor, which is n, and it takes 0. I think this is clearer, easier, a lot, maybe. None of the following functions can be. I think it should be like this, because I remember there's a initializer which takes an index. Let's see. Let's array list, mutable list, Kotlin. init mutable list of there's a size and an init function which pass in an index and want a t out. So cannot infer a type of this parameter. Maybe I can't use this. I think it should be inferred, I would say. Array list of mutable list. Oh, okay. Wait. I don't know. I hope this is going to work, but I'm pretty unsure about this. Kotlin generic function. Here it is. Oh, it's after the function name, so I think it should be inferred from this 0. Cannot infer type collection defined in collection array list. There is oh, so there is no constructor with yeah, there is no constructor with an initialization function here. It's probably the code signal problem. It's just my guess, but it should be in. It should be in. It actually should be in the. Wait. I'm expecting it to be available in well, maybe I need to use mutable list. Not sure about that. Could be because array list is exactly the same as Kotlin, but what implementation is it going to be? Is it going to use if? Yeah, so that's it. But what implementation is used here? Because mutable list itself is what is it? Yeah, it's an interface. So what implementation is used here? That's interesting. Yeah, it actually defines no interface. and it returns a mutable list, so it's actually not Kotlin print type. Java class dot name. I'm so interested in what implementation is picked here. Oh, come on, I need that reflection. What else can I do now then? I don't know. Is this going to work? And array list is picked for unknown reason. That's interesting. I'm going to keep an eye on that, because yeah, we didn't really pick which implementation we're using here, so it shouldn't. Anyway, so that's the answer. We'll probably take a look at the next problem and see if we can solve it in, like, I don't know. I don't think it seems to be easy. Okay. Okay. So okay, it's a little bit hard. I think it's going to take me like 15 to 20 minutes, so let's do it next time. Let me see if there's anyone online. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. No, I'm not seeing any comment there. So that's all for today. Bye bye.